If you have not heard or even tried NanoBanana before, well, let me tell you, you're missing out a lot. What if I tell you that you could produce 4K AI images with perfect text, consistent characters, and even videos? Well, you can even generate as many as you want for a full year without worrying about credits. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through my real workflow inside Higgsfield.ai, showing you how NanoBanana Pro thinks through your prompt and explain why it becomes one of the cheapest way to use Google's Gemini 3 Pro image model in 2025-2026. So stay to the end because there is a time-sensitive promo where subscribers can get unlimited NanoBanana Pro generations for 1 year. My name is Sophie H. I make videos on AI, marketing, and creative workflows for creators, solopreneurs, and small teams. Today, we're going to deep dive into what's new in Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro and why this might be the cheapest way to run Nano Banana Pro in 2025/2026 this unlimited offer. So stay tuned until the end. Here's a simple prompt framework which you can steal for Nano Banana Pro. As you can see here, here's the structure where you can include all the different components for your prompt. This to ensure that you generate a very accurate and definitely includes all the details that you wish to produce or generate for the final outcome or result. And Nano Bananas Pro's reasoning engine really rewards structured prompts like this. So let's get into the first demo. First, open your browser and go to Higgsfield, and right on the homepage, you will see the NanoBanana promos, including the Black Friday, which offers 65% off and a 1 year of unlimited image generations. You can definitely pick your plan according to your preference, whether it's basic, pro, ultimate, or creator. So once you log in, go to image, create image. So over here, we have some selections. You can slide over to the Nano Banana Pro. So I've actually include a prompt. This is just a simple one for a product visual image. Just include a 16 by 9 we could white or layout. Then we could even do a resolution. You can change. You can pick your resolutions, including on the right. You can pick up the resolutions, whether it's 1K, 2K, or even 4K. So I'll start with K to iterate quickly. And now we're gonna generate. See what comes up. So you can see the in progress status that is reflecting that is displayed right now. And yeah, let's wait to see what comes up. So as you can see here, we have a very sharp product photo that you can actually use for your e-commerce store. And this looks like an A6 shoe. And the others don't have any brand, but you can definitely customize to include your own logo. So this is a great example of product visual ad. So let's move on to the next example. So now we have a very clean high-res image. The lighting, the shadows, and the reflections look physically believable. That's the reasoning and rendering combo from the Gemini 3 backbone. So if I'm happy with the composition, I can switch to 4K and regenerate. So definitely a great example of how you can create a product visual ad for your e-commerce store. Now let's continue. I'm just gonna do a text rendering because that's where all models do, because that's where all the models really struggle. I'll duplicate this prompt and add the following description. So I just include the new addition. So I've already include additional description for, so let's generate to see what comes up. So look at the output. The headline is clean, letters are properly spelled and shaped, the spacing is readable. There are some other examples or the results which are not favorable because of the wrong spelling. So you might not be able to use those. But for starters, this is a great effort. Now let's try something that uses visual reasoning and data awareness. We'll type the new prompt. So I've already included the new prompt, which is more complex. This is more numerical with data. Looks so if you can see the top left corner, you will see the actual. So here's the result of the image generation. It shows exactly three KPI records, a chart with clearly separated lines, and a table with rows that visually make sense. And of course, there's even a little text here which is legible and correctly. This little text here that are correctly spelled. So this is not just random widgets. These are layout that respects the structure you described, which is huge if you create slides, dashboard, or explainer visuals. Definitely a thumbs up for this image generation over here. So now let's take a look at the face and identity control. I've actually include a new prompt, a portrait of a marketing manager in early 30s, and followed by other descriptive features. We can include the composition description as well. So I've already set this up with NanoBanana Pro and 16 by 9 ratio. And let's just stick with 2K. Let's generate. So here's the result of the image generation of the portrait of a marketing manager. So I'm gonna just do a different spin on this. Same person, same face. Okay, just different variation to this picture. Okay, let's generate, see what comes up. So as you can see, the face remains recognizably the same. Expressions are natural, not plastic. So this is perfect if you want to create a recurring spokesperson across thumbnails, carousels, or brand visuals. So as you can see from the examples that were demonstrated to you earlier, you will see how this solution is the best one if you're doing content creation, whether it's for advertising or marketing. And if you don't know by now, they are running a Black Friday promo. If you subscribe by end of November, you will get unlimited NanoBanana Pro generations for up to 1 year. Higgsfield is currently offering up to 65% off. So depending on which tier plan that you wish to take up, this is definitely one of the most value added solutions out there. And if you already know that you'll be producing okay images, and this unlimited deal is definitely a kind of made for you. So if you're a content creator, marketer, or even entrepreneur, this is something that you can consider, especially this platform here is amazing. Definitely the most cost effective to create some of the impactful visuals and even videos. And you can create unlimited generations for up to 1 year. And if this, definitely worth checking out. Let me know in the comment what do you think of Higgsfield.ai, and if you've actually even tried NanoBanana before. Yeah, do give us a thumbs up if you like the video so far. And of course, check the description below. I've linked the NanoBanana Pro page and drop my prompt template so you can start experimenting today. So in the meantime, see you again.